Jolly Town, tara, dito walang tigil ang saya. The Jolly Friends are here for you to help make your wishes come true.
Jollibee's wish came true one day when a shooting star came his way. Into the well it fell, and then there appeared four new friends.
Anyong, ang high-tech na kaibigan.
Hetty here to bring some cheer.
Go Hetty!
Papa Sports ang paborito ko, yeah!
I'm Twirly, sing and dance with me.
And me, si best friend Jollibee.
Come to Jolly Town and play. The Jolly Friends hip hip hooray. Come to Jolly Town and play. The Jolly Friends hip hip hooray.
Good morning, children. Oh, class, you have 30 minutes to take this test. Please read the instructions on the board carefully.
Bo, tingin namang papel, oh.
No, I just bought this. Sa iba ka na lang humingi.
Marsha, what's the problem?
Kasi ma'am, naubusan na po ako ng pad paper, eh.
Class, give Marcia some paper so she can take the test already. Marcia, next time bring your own. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ah.
Let's start.
Wow, that's so cool, robot. Pwede bang mahiram?
Ay, Pipo, kailangan ko nang umuwi. Inaantay na ako ni Mami eh. Bye!
Bye.
Saan kaya nanggagaling yun? Ang sarap! Ang bango naman nun. Ay, dito yung kay Jollibee. Hi, Jollibee!
Oh, Bong, napadaan ka.
Jollibee, ano yung binibake mo? I just love that smell. Amoy na amoy ko dito sa labas.
Talaga? Halika, pasok ka.
Dito natin ilagay.
Hey guys! Wow! We have our friend Bong here!
Hi, Bong!
Alam mo ba, Bong, you're a very lucky boy. You're the first kid from Jolly Academy na makakatikim ng tinapay from this new oven.
Wow, that's a cool oven.
Thanks to Yum here, this oven is his latest masterpiece.
Talaga?
Ah, yes. The Big Baker 5.0. With even heating, no need to turn the pan. State-of-the-art control panel in classic design. Self-cleaning, automatic door.
Wow!
Oven, ready na ba yung bread?
Almost done.
And voice-activated too.
Wow!
Wow!
Smells good!
Sarap talaga to.
Yay!
Right!
Good!
Alright! Sarap!
Hooray! Can I taste it?
Whoop.
Oops! Careful, Twirly!
Huh?
Mainit pa yan.
Oh,
Current bread temperature just right. Enjoy.
Now it's ready.
Oh, goody!
oh, Bong, tikman mo tong binake ni Jollibee and find out why he's the best chef in town.
This looks good.
Yummy!
Enjoy.
Well, told ya.
Sarap, di ba?
Looks good. Wow, this is delicious. The best I've tasted so far.
Totoo nga ang sabi mo, Hetty. This is the best.
Gusto mo bang mag-uwi niyan?
Ha? Oo ba?
Give him more, Jollibee, para mapatikim din niya sa mga classmates niya bukas.
Yeah.
Oo nga. That's a good idea.
Thank you, Jollibee.
Uh-huh.
sarap naman ito. Pero teka, will I give some of this to my classmates? Napakasarap. Mas matagal kong ma-enjoy if I keep them all for myself. Hehehehe.
Mukhang sarap ng baon ni Bong. Oo nga, tara, hingi tayo. Hi, Bong. Ang bango naman ng baon mong tinapay. Saan mo nabili yan? Pengi naman, oh.
Ang mga baon nyo,
Bibigyan ka rin ng mga baon namin.
ayoko nga. Kulang pa nga sa akin to eh.
Jollibee, what's up?
Huh?
The well. It's trying to
yeah.
tell us something. Come on,
Come on,
let's take a
guys.
look.
Let's check it out.
Let's go.
Tingnan natin.
Yeah.
Ano kayong nasa loob ng well?
Let me see.
Ba't kaya ayaw mag-share ni Bong? Sayang, gutom pa naman ako. Sana nga matuto siyang mag-share. Marami naman siyang baon.
Oh, no.
What should we do about Bong?
Nothing yet.
Nothing? Bakit naman?
Just wait and see.
Wait and see.
Ano kaya?
What could he mean?
Maybe some kind of experiment.
Yak, ang asim. Madali sigurong masirang first batch ng tinapay. Di bale, hingi na lang ako bukas.
Bong! Bakit dito ka dumadaan? Are you going to Jollibee's house?
May dadaanan lang ako dyan sa may kanto. Sa may kanto.
Sige.
Hi, Jollibee!
Hi, Bong. Welcome. Come in. Pasok ka.
Hi,
Oh,
Bong!
hi, Bong.
Hey, Bong. Akala ko ba may dadaanan ka sa kanto?
Ha?
Buti na lang nandito kayong dalawa. Now we have 2 kids from Jolly Academy na pwedeng mag-taste test dito sa bago kong recipe.
Right! Buti pala pumunta ako dito, Jollibee. Isa pa, gutom na rin ako eh. Iwan ko kasi yung baong ko.
Talagang wish ni Jollibee na maraming makatikim ng kanyang new recipe.
That's right.
What new recipe did you use ba?
Well, I put some special ingredients na galing pa sa malayong lugar. I hope magustuhan niyo yung lasa. It's a much improved recipe.
Interesting.
That I can guarantee. Hindi ba, guys?
Naku, Bong, once you've tasted this new recipe, mapapasayaw ka sa sarap! Like this! Come on, try
Okay,
some!
come on.
Yay!
Well,
Totoo nga, this is really delicious.
Sobrang sarap nito, Jollibee.
Yup.
Diba?
Gusto ko pang magstay, Jollibee. Pero, I guess I have to go now.
Huh? So
Oh, saan pa kayo pupunta ngayon?
May klase rin ako, Jollibee. Kailangan ko nang umalis. Sasabay na lang ako kay Bong pabalik.
Okay.
O sige, bibigyan ko kayo ng mga tinapay na to. Don't forget to share it with your classmates.
Oo ba? I'm sure they're gonna love it. Uy, Roy, ang dami mo namang dalang tinapay. Kakainin ba lahat yan? Pipo, hindi ko kayang ubusin to lahat. Baka lumubo ko. At saka, kaya ako nga ito dinala eh. Para sa ating lahat. Tamang-tama ang pagdala mo ng mga tinapay na yan. Gutom na rin ako eh. Kaya ako nga gustong pagtikman to eh. Kasi, very special ang tinapay ni Jollibee. Ang sarap nga. Ano kayang ingredients ang ginamit dito? Kung may recipe nito, magpapabig ako kay Mami. Salamat, Troy ah. Ito pa oh. Sabihin mo lang sa akin kung gusto mo pa. Marami pa dito. Uy, thank you, Roy, ah. Alam mo bang ito yung gustong-gusto kong matikman na baon ni Bong kahapon? Thank you talaga. Bong, tingnan mo yung sandwich mo.
May ganito rin si Roy. Ayun oh. Sa kanya ka na lang humingi. Iuwi ko pa yung iba dito.
Tingin mukha mo. Ano ba lasa niyan?
Oh, sa'yo na. Hindi naman masarap.
Ang sarap! Tikman mo! Oo nga, tara, patingin natin sila. Salamat, ha? Salamat, ha? Ang sarap. Uy, meron na rin pala kayo?
Hey kids! Oh, kamusta na kayo mga bata? Teka lang ha, puntahan ko lang si Bong. Oh, Bong! What's that sad look on your face? Ba't hindi ka nakikijoin sa mga friends mo? Ayun oh, they're having a great time.
Tungkol dun sa tinapay na binigay mo, Jollibee.
What about the bread?
I can't understand what's happening. Nung kinakain ko kanina yung tinapay, nag-iba yung lasa. Hindi na siya masarap. When I give some of them to my classmates, sarap na sarap sila.
Talaga?
Totoo, Jollibee. I can see na sarap sila. In fact, naubos nga nila lahat yung tinapay eh.
Alam mo, Bong, ganito kasi yun. The recipe I used to bake that bread is very special. The bread becomes more delicious when shared, but turns sour or bitter when you don't.
But why do we have to share? Kapag nag-share ako, mas kaunti yun makakain ko, o malalaro ko, o magagamit ko. Mas marami, mas masaya.
Pero Bong, when you share, mas maraming tao ang mas masaya. Tingnan mo sila, oh. Look at their faces. Hindi ba't ang saya-saya nila? Hindi lang yung nakakatanggap ang nasisiyahan, kundi pati na rin ang mga nagbibigay.
Oo nga, Jollibee. Napansin ko nga, si Roy at saka yung mga binibigyan niya ng tinapay, they all look happy. Jollibee, next time, pag binigyan mo ulit ako ng tinapay, I'll share them with my classmates.
I'm happy to hear that, Bong. Gusto mo bang tumulong sa amin mag-bake? Iniintay nang nila ako sa bahay dahil may susubukan kaming bagong recipe.
Sige, Jollibee.
Tara, halika na, Bong.
Hi, Bong!
Hi!
How are you today?
O, lagay mo yung bag mo dyan, Bong, oh.
Oh, ayan.
What new recipe are we going to try for today, Jollibee?
Aba, marami pa tayong flavors na hindi nasubukan from my list.
Kahapon, ang sarap ng bread with a special marmalade.
Ngayon, susubukan natin itong special bread with cocoa filling.
Wow! Na-imagine ko palang nagugutom na ako.
Buti na lang nandito si Bong. We can ask him to do the first taste test.
Yeah!
Bong, you're really lucky. Aba, every time may bagong recipe na binibake si Jollibee, nandito ka.
I bet I'm luckier because you are all my friends.
We're happy you're here with us, Bong. Kids like you make Jollytown the happiest place to be.
That's right.
That's why we're here, because of you.
You're right. Alam nyo, ang saya-saya ko kasi ang bait-bait nyo sa akin at binibigyan nyo ako ng meron kayo.
Mas masaya naman kasi, di ba, when we share?
That's right. The more we share, the more we become happy.
Yup.
And here at Jollytown, nothing makes us happier than seeing kids like you smile. Right, friends?
That's right.
Ano ang recipe ng friends na laging jolly? Sasabihin ko sa'yo, makinig ka ng mabuti. You gotta share, share, you gotta share, share. Come on everyone, let's share, share. Kapag marunong mag
Pakiram mo sa iba. Mundo mo'y gaganda kung may kasama ka. Maglaro ng magkasama para mas masaya.
You gotta share, share, gotta share, share. Come on everyone, let's share, share. Kapag marunong maghati, doble ang saya. So come on everyone, let's share.
Kaalamang mahalaga, ituro sa kanya. Ipasa mo ang knowledge, ibahagi sa kanya. Ituro mo ang iyong nalalaman upang matuto ang iba.
Gamit na sobra, ibigay na sa iba. Sa mga nangangailangan, magbigay saya. Makakatulong ka na at puso mo'y sisigla.
You gotta share, share, you gotta share, share. Come on everyone, let's share, share. Kapag marunong maghati, doble ang saya. So come on everyone, let's share. Ito ang sangkap ng buhay na masarap. Ito ang katangian ng mabuting kaibigan. La 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 la. You gotta share, you gotta share. Come on everyone, let's share, share. Ang pagbigay ng puso ay anong saya. So come on everyone, let's share. Kapag marunong maghati, doble ang saya. So come on everyone, let's share, share.
This is really great, Jollibee. I wish the whole of Jollytown can taste this.
I agree!
Yeah.
Alam mo, Jollibee, I have an idea. Let's bake some more special bread and give them to more people in Jollytown.
That's a great idea. But hindi ba natin naisip kaagad yun? Thanks, Bong, for that brilliant suggestion.
Yeah, Bong, thanks.
But how do we do it?
Hey, Jollibee, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yes, Yum. I think you know what to do.
First, I have to compute the area of Jollytown to make sure we cover the entire expanse. Determine the amount and the weight of the supply. Factor in wind speed and direction. Yes! Yes! Jolly friends! If we work together, I think we can do this. Yes?
Yeah.
Yay!
Over there, look! Ayun o, nag-uunahan ang tumakbo ang mga bata!
Jollibee, paano yung mga bata sa side na to?
Oo nga, Jollibee. Sinong uunahin natin?
Don't worry! Marami to at lahat sila makakakuha ng tinapay. Di ba, Yum?
Right! Based on my readings, we still need to fly 5 degrees east to cover another area.
Okay! Here! Enjoy!
Try and catch it. Woo! Have fun!
Ang ganda ng view dito. And look at the kids.
Tama ka.
I'm so glad to be a part of this. Thanks, Jollibee.
You're welcome, Bong. Isn't it great, kids, if we share what we have with others? What are the different things we can share with others?
Ako, since may alam ako sa tamang teknik sa paghuli ng isda, tuturuan ko si Yum kung paano manghuli.
Yeah! Almost got it! Yeah! Oh, check it out, Popo! I got a big one!
Cool.
Thanks for teaching me! At ako naman, I can share my toys. Minsan kasi, nakaka-bore maglaro ng computer games mag-isa. Kaya, Popo, gusto mo maglaro? Challenge kita!
Sure, I'll be the tiger.
And I'll be the lion!
High-tech talaga tong computer games mo, Yum.
Pagkatapos laro tayo ng Jolly Space Race, ha?
If you have some clothes at home na hindi yun na sinusuot, don't just let them get stuck in your drawers or cabinets. Ibigay mo na lang sa mas nakababata sa'yo. Pwedeng kapatid mo, pinsan mo, o sa kaibigan mo. Kung wala ka namang ibang maisip, why not share them with less fortunate brothers and sisters sa charity? Go ask your parents to help you find the right charitable institutions.
Happy, pag pumunta ka sa mga lugar na yan, isama mo rin ako, ha?
Oo ba? What will you share, Turley?
Kung wala man akong mabibigay materially, pwede naman akong kumanta at sumayaw para sa kanila.
Oras ang ibinibigay mo, Turley. You can volunteer and spend time with those who need it. And sharing your time or your talent is one of the best things you can give. See you next weekend!